The word for today is determination. What a great word. What does that really mean in your mind? It evokes some strong emotions when you say the word determination, because it means resolve, commitment, a person of character and integrity. So what this means is that when we have made a decision, we have made a firm decision to move ahead with a program or a commitment in our life that sets up boundaries and constraints and opens the door to other possibilities. Some of the things might be simply the way you spend your time, the focus that you have, the parameters or the boundaries that you set on your conduct that make a difference in your life. That's what determination can mean. And then what that helps with is your resolve to push through the barriers that inevitably come your way. It also starts and helps with the concept of having a great vision. And with that vision comes a mission statement, which helps you clarify what your daily activities are going to be. So my confident expectation is that the decisiveness that you have in your life will make you a person of determination, which says that you have the resolve to push through any barrier that may come your way. That's what determination means. Go out and make it happen.